Okay, you could see the levitation, and you could see it charging this 25,000 UF 75 volt fair size capacitor. There's no connection on the top, and you can see it wiggling around. You could easily make a framework with a connection on the top, but in this case, we don't have it. You can see how it keeps spinning. So it perhaps the eddy effect is keeping it spinning. The eddy effect is a sideways motion that makes a magnet go slower when it goes down an aluminum or copper tube. You see it come up as I lift the weight of the thing? The weight of the thing shows how strong the levitating force is. And the levitating force is there 2-3 pounds of that, or a pound or two. This is the magnets. And here's some sort of junk. Now here is the first time I've used a direct current wave theory wiring. There's 6 magnets you see in the middle, double, and 6 below, double, all the same pole. So this is monopole direct current. So, instead of a sine curve going behind and above, it's a jump, 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 right? And all of these, as they go around, reach their crescendo in the middle of the magnet at the same time. This one's hitting the crescendo there, this one here, and on around, right? So they're pushing the current along in what you call phase waves that are phase coherent. You see what I mean? I mean, phase coherent compared to, the rough stuff for capacitors, magnetic drive batteries, and all the rest. Not for computers and not for laser beams and whatnot. So you can see, here's the air compressor that's run by magnetic wheel pedals, and it has 6 spiral vanes in there. And here's the thing, I put magnets behind each of the vanes so that I can put these 3-phase coils going down the side, halfway around on the outside. And it means that your air compressor that you're pedaling here at 700 revs, easily at 1/10 the amount you use bicycling. And remember, you're sending your car up to 60, 80 miles an hour uphill and so on, instead of your 150 pounds, 20 miles, 15, 20 miles per hour down urban pavement with this. And at the same time, it acts as a generator and it feeds directly in. So it's another dual energy device. This is to get rid of batteries. Once you got rid of fuel, you got to get rid of batteries. You know what we just saw, corporations and governments and militaries can't compete with that kind of thing, For the first thing, they're so respectable and so organized, they can't go to the garbage to get things that they need. So that slows them down about 90%, especially since there's embargoes on rare earths and things like that. So that helps freeze them. And secondly, the guy who's the idea man, who wakes up in the morning with a new idea, he's not in charge. One force of the universe was the field of energy. And the field only produces, it never consumes. Every other level of reality is consuming from the field. So if we become producers, we become cooperators with the cosmic creative force responsible for all reality and the progress and expansion of all reality. If we consume, we become its weight, its baggage. We become a drag on it, a drag on the creative energy. And this transcends all the worlds of matter, from the heaviest to all the worlds of waste on all levels and so on, and ideas on all levels and so on and so forth. Okay?